There is beauty in just sitting still and enjoying the sun. There is peace in being still and enjoying the sun. One moment. That's all you need is just one moment. One moment to say thank you to the universe for this day. One moment to recognize how blessed you are. One moment to appreciate all of who you are and what you've been through. Take that moment today. Take it, y'all, because you get 1,440 minutes each and every single day. Don't waste them. Choose 1 minute of those 1,044 minutes that you get to say thank you, universe, to appreciate yourself, to celebrate yourself. Celebrate yourself as one of the 5 self-love languages that I use in my own life and with the work that I do at the Thriving Mindfully Academy. And last night during the spring reset, we had a chance to go through all 5 of those love languages. And I want to invite you to learn more about it. You can go to anandaleak.com/spring reset and explore what we're doing in the spring reset. We have added a couple more sessions because folks keep telling me, I wanna make it, but my schedule. And so I looked at people's requests and decided, let me offer some morning classes. So on April 20th, we're having our evening class from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. On April 21st, for those that are on Eastern Standard Time that are early birds, join me at 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. If you're in Europe, that is in the UK, at least I know in London, that's 5 hours difference, so you'll be joining us in the afternoon. So it's 7:30 to 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on April 21st, as well as April 27th. And I may be adding a Sunday class, so look out for that information. All you have to do is go to the spring reset page at anandaleak.com. Go to anandaleak.com/spring reset. You'll learn about what we're doing in terms of teaching you how to manage your stress as well as take care of yourself with the 5 self-love languages. So I'll see you there. Bye.